Hey guys, today I'm going to make a grilled naan bread pizza. So let's get queuing. I've got some naan bread, naan bread, I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it, but there was two in this package. These were $3.69. I used one the other day just to make sure it would work okay. I did it on my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I thought maybe the bottom would burn, but it came out pretty good. And also I do these in my toaster oven sometimes. I think I've maybe done a video that way, so you can do them in the toaster oven if you don't have a grill. But this is just pizza sauce. This is Classico, so I use this sauce. I use their pasta sauce a lot, but I noticed they had some pizza sauce, so I grabbed a jar of that, and it's pretty good. Alright, sauced up there, that looks pretty good. And now we will use some cheese. This is just cheddar jack, but you can use any kind of shredded cheese that you like. Just get a little bit of that on there. It's pretty easy here. Alright, and then I have some pepperoni. This is Hormel Cup and Crisp Bold. So I'll just get this topped with pepperoni. Then I'll go get my little gas grill warmed up and we'll get it on there. I think I've had this little grill a little over 3 years now and I like it a lot. It's holding up really well. So we'll shut the lid here and just turn on the gas there. And it's got an igniter, so we'll hit that. Why is it not igniting? It's damp this morning, maybe that's why it's not lighting. Usually lights right up, but let's see what's going on here. Turn the gas off for a minute there and pull one of these grill grates out, and then we'll see if I can light it with a match, see how it goes here. There we go. All right. I think it's just damp this morning. I think that's the problem. Get that grill back in there, that grill grate. All right, I'll let that warm up for a few minutes. My grill's been warming up for a few minutes here, so let's take a look. I'm going to turn the heat down to low because I don't want the bottom of the crust to burn. So just wipe this off a little bit and we'll get that baby on there. All right, and we'll get the lid down and let her go for a few minutes. It's been about 7 or 8 minutes, so let's see how we're doing here. Looks pretty good. Let me look underneath. The crust's a little darker on this side than that side. I think this side of the grill gets a little hotter, so I am just going to rotate it like that and let it cook just a little bit longer. It's been about 12 or 13 minutes total, so let's take a look here. All right, it smells good. Oh yeah, that looks about right on the bottom. I'm going to get it off of there. I cut this into pieces and I let it cool down a little bit. I always burn the roof of my mouth on pizza, so hopefully it's cool enough to try now. Anyway, so there's what the bottom looks like. Looks like it came out pretty good. See how this side is? Yeah, it cooked pretty evenly all the way across when I rotated it like that. So let's try a bite here. Crust turns out really good that way. It gets nice and crispy if you like a crispy crust. And like I said, I've done those in my toaster oven, so if you don't have a grill, you can do those in your toaster oven as well. Annie was sleeping, but she just showed up. She always knows just the right time. I don't know if dogs like pizza. We'll see. Had to chew it a little bit, but I guess it's Annie approved. Those make pretty good pizza crusts. And of course you can use whatever toppings that you like. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Keep cooking and have fun.